Hello everybody, this is Akshat and this is day 12 of improving my communication skills journey. Today's topic is being alone a superpower? I picked this topic from ChatGPT and I found it really interesting. First of all, let us discuss why, matlab, what is being alone. Okay, so most people in our society fears being alone because we are social animals and we require socializing, but being alone can also be turned to a superpower. Most people think that being alone is a weakness, but it depends on how we treat this thing. So, being alone can be of two types. First of all, positive, and second, negative. Positive, we call it solitude, where we improve ourselves, spend time with ourselves, be okay with being alone, be okay with be okay with being alone and do our task even when we are alone, staying happy even when we are alone, enjoying our life even when we are alone. This is solitude, and solitude is something that can, if done in a right way, can push a person to a high level. And the second is loneliness. Loneliness means feeling empty, feeling left out, craving connection, attention. It's negative and draining. It is a very, if loneliness can be very bad if not treated right. Loneliness can put a person into depression. If it is long term, it can drain entire person mental health. But in solitude, it is peaceful. We enjoy our own company. It is positive and intentional. Alone doesn't always mean lonely, it can also mean peaceful like solitude. Okay, but let us discuss why people suffer. People generally suffer just because of loneliness. Because of loneliness, the people suffer, and not solitude. Okay, they depend on others for their happiness, they depend on external validation, they depend on external achievements rather than loving themselves. They depend on others opinions, they don't know how to be with themselves and improve in life, achieve something big in life. And yeah, this is loneliness and this is very bad long term. Okay, so when loneliness turns into solitude, it becomes a superpower. Yeah, this is our main idea of today's topic. When we turn being alone into solitude, or understand ourselves, love ourselves, and turn this loneliness into solitude, our entire life changes and it becomes our superpower. Let me first give you advantages of solitude or being alone as superpower. So first of all, you will have a lot of time with yourself to improve, to come back stronger, to start a task that you want to do, to work upon yourself. It gives you clarity, it gives you independence. So clarity in sense that there will be less noise in the environment and it will increase the quality of your thinking, and this way solitude is beneficial in terms of clarity. Now let's come to independence. So this solitude, when this alone brings superpower in form of solitude, it gives us independence. We are no longer dependent on others for happiness. We are not no longer dependent on others for our many generally day to day task. we control our own emotions. We learn emotional control. We learn how to embrace this discomfort. Yeah, loneliness, being alone may seem discomfort, but at the end it will teach you many things that not being alone cannot. So it will also, solitude will also enhance your focus, fewer distractions, more productivity. Okay. Self awareness. Yeah, as I have already discussed this point, it helps to sit with ourselves and understand ourselves very deeply and love ourselves. We we humans are, okay, so let's come to next topic. We humans are still social animals. We still require people, so we should not isolate ourselves completely. Yeah, solitude is good, but we shouldn't isolate completely. We should have social skills. We should know how to deal with people in real life than rather than just watching theory. It improves confidence in public if we interact with people. So I want to say that if you are alone, then don't fear being alone. But if you are with friends, then also don't try to be alone. Interact with them. Means whatever the situation, just accept it. Just like water, adapt the environment. Like if you are sitting at home and you don't have means if you are feeling lonely, then this lonely can be turned into solitude. But if you have option to interact with people, then go and interact. If it doesn't harm you, if it doesn't waste your time, if it just improves, it just improves your skills, your mood, etc., etc. Being alone is not the problem, but how you experience it is. Loneliness trains you, solitude builds you. If you can enjoy your own company, you are truly free. The goal is to not avoid people, but to not depend on them, okay? So, being alone is not a weakness, it's a superpower when loneliness becomes solitude. And okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. Let's come back tomorrow. By the way, today is my day one of summer arc challenge and I am going to read a book following this this upload of this, क्या बोलते हैं यार, following upload of this video in YouTube. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.